Welcome to Invest. We talk about investing, finance, and professional development. As the current time of 9:08 a.m. on the Eastern Time, Ethereum contracted $3,158, up about 2.62% so far. With respect to over crypto market and the equity market, we are relatively green this morning, with two major catalysts that we're expecting today. One has already happened. We got over the hurdle with respect to the jobless claim number. It seems like based on Wall Street expectation, it came in a little bit higher than expected, but still, reflective of the labor market where employers are loath to fire workers. And the first time claim for the benefits in this week ended in April 16th, a total of 184,000 for this week, a decline of 2,000 from the previous week, but just ahead of the Dow Jones estimates of 182,000, according to the Labor Department report on this Thursday. So it seems like the numbers still, remain historically tight as job openings outnumbers the available labor pool by about 5 million, and continue to claim, which runs a week behind the headline number, fell by 58,000 to 1.417 million, which is the lowest level since February 1970. So it seems like the number is a little bit above expectations, but it's not like a major miss, right? It's not like a major negative factor that's baking into the market sentiment. And knowing the fact that yesterday we were doing the typical thing, right? Sell the rumor, buy the news type of affectation ahead of obviously the jobless claim number, which is the first obstacle hoop that we jump over. But the second obstacle would be the 1 p.m. on the Eastern Time. It will be basically a fireside chat between Sarah Eisen from CNBC and Jerome Powell himself on the economic outlook going forward, right? So some of the keywords we'll look out for will be, along the line with respect to interest hikes, inflationary pressure, any misalignment in comparisons to Wall Street expectation. So those would be the things that we need to look out for. So without wasting more time, obviously we are seeing a bullish buying momentum across the market ahead of the meeting. So what's going to be in play for us, right? Ultimately, technicals will tell the truth. And my gut feeling is that we are going to be seeing more upside from here, knowing the fact that we are out of the bear trend. So let's just dive into the technical without wasting more time. With respect to recording time of 9:11 a.m. on the Eastern Time. So right now you can see that we're out of the bear channel as we were selling off for basically months, right, consecutively. And now we broke through and rebounded, and now we're forming a zigzag. And you can see that I did some new chart patterning here. As you can see, we've been forming a wedge. At the same time, the momentum seems relatively bullish at the moment. If you look closely on the RSI, we are bouncing from the 44 out of 70. At the same time, with respect to the MACD, we are curving up at the same time. And we are still, doing the zigzag as we are expecting, right? We're going to be seeing zigzags going down. We're going to be seeing zigzags going up. So the next level that we ideally would break through, which we are breaking through right now, is the 3158. And if we are going to sustain more bullish momentum, let's just say the zigzag will be very elongated. I think the next level will go up to be the 3350, 3472, 3650. And then continue to consolidate on a sideways fashion and form that zigzag upward. So we are building staircase. So that's a good thing. And respect to Bitcoin, similar affectation, I would say, we are forming zigzags as well, but the zigzags is not as prominent in comparisons to Ethereum because of the elongation that we see in the chart. But overall, we're still bullish because of the fact that we are forming a golden cross on the Bitcoin side of the house with the 52 out of 70. So we're neutral. But in terms of are we going to leap up majorly, I think we will have to see, right? The next level will go up to be 44,000 and then 48,000. The monumental level is really at the 48,000, right? If we break that, we will have a long shot up to basically 50, which is a flat number, and then subsequently to the 52 from here. So look out for it. I think we will be seeing some bullish momentum coming with this golden cross in front of us right now. Respect to Ethereum Classic, similar affectation. We're curving up. Momentum is good. You can see that we've been forming W's for quite some time now, bouncing from 43 out of 70. So curving up as we get that golden cross will allow us to go up to the next level, 46 from here, which is technically going to be the peak top based on the leap up from here. Respect to Dogecoin, up about 0.6%. Head and shoulder pattern, but we could potentially see more buying pressure because of the curvature on the glide with respect to the MACD right now. At the same time, we've been kind of resisting at the 49 out of 70, right? So I think going up ideally to somewhere around like the 15 cents, and that's about it. But this is still a head and shoulder pattern, so you could technically form like a peak shoulder on the right side or left side depending on which way you're looking at, and then subsequently come back down to anywhere from 12 cents below from here. That's where I would be buying at Dogecoin because it's relatively funky, so I don't really like it like this. Respect to Cardano's, about 2.6%. Anywhere from basically 85 to below is where I would DCA, but we're still bullish, right? Right now we're forming a curvature. Golden cross probably formed 45 out of 70, curving up to 102 to 120. Logical. Respect to Solana, flat as well. We are attempting to go up to 112 at the moment, right? We're about to form a golden cross at the 52 out of 70. So about as we go to the 112, I think 120 would be the next level that we could go to as a non-substance consolidator level. And that's about it, and then kind of get back up. Respect to XRP, about 0.24%. 69 to 57 is where I would be buying at, right? With respect to polkadot, up about 1.14%. I like anywhere from basically $17 below from here. But we are about to form a golden cross, so as we cross up, we're going to see somewhere around like 20, max to be somewhere around 21 from here. Algorand's up about 1.09%. It's forming a golden cross right now, so at the 46 out of 70. So everything is checking out. 75 cents at the moment right now. What I'll be buying now. I think right now it's not terrible in terms of the momentum that we're forming. Golden cross forming as we speak. As we form up, we should technically leap up to 88. The max would be 94, like trying to get back to $1 again. Respect to Shiba Inu, again, 2100, 1400, 900. Like we keep talking about this. Right now it's okay, it's lingering, but very funky going on. Respect to Polkadot, not Polkadot, Polygon, 142 to 120. So right now it's actually, we're above it right now. We have forming a golden cross, that's why we cross up. So the next level we ideally go to would be somewhere at 151. And then we have a large leap up to 163 from here. AVAX down about 1.8%, anywhere from basically 59 to 50, right? And then lastly, Terra, we form a golden cross, that's why it keeps surging up right now. With 98, so try to get up to 100, but you could see that clearly we try to get there, but we just could not. Like 99.15 is where we got to. But if we can break it through, which we should be, going up to the 109 all the way to possibly even breaking all-time high can be possible, for Luna. It wouldn't be a surprise to me, but this looks too fast, too quick, so it doesn't really convey a lot of confidence in, in terms of can we keep going like a rocket ship. I'll say no. I'll say we kind of normalize at the 100 and then search up from there. That makes more sense to me. So it seems like we are forming a upstream pattern as we speak right now. So this is a healthy momentum that we're seeing. It seems like we're forming this like escalator that I kind of drew here. So we're gonna continue to zigzag up, zigzag up, zigzag up, similar to the way we zigzag down back in the days. But it's good signs all together. This is like a preliminary signs of a bull market coming, despite all the uncertain factors that's in play right now. But hopefully this is helpful. Hope you guys have a great day as well. As the 1 p.m. is gonna be a next catalyst that we need to jump through. So I'll look out for it and get some synopsis from it, and I'll report back later. Appreciate you. Have a good day. Take care. Bye.